Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to post a story on Instagram from PC. Alright, let's begin. Instagram doesn't offer a built-in way to post stories from a desktop, but there's a simple workaround that uses your browser's developer tools. First, open Google Chrome and go to Instagram.com. Log into your account, then head over to your profile or home feed. Now open Inspect Elements. You can do this by right-clicking and selecting Inspect Elements. Once the tools are open, look for the mobile icon in the top left of the developer panel. This is the Toggle Device toolbar. Click it to simulate a mobile browser view. You'll notice Instagram now looks like it does on your phone. Refresh the page using Ctrl-R on Windows or Command-R on Mac. Now you'll see the Your Story button at the top left corner of the screen. Click on it and a file upload window will appear. Select the image or video you want to upload. After uploading, you can crop, add text, stickers, or draw just like on mobile. When you're done, click Share to Story, and your story will be posted. So, that's basically how you can post a story on Instagram from PC. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.